Hey, Ade. This is a pre-class recording for 2017 Navajo 1, and also do another recording, but it's for lesson 2, or Navajo 2. Here's Navajo 1. Okay, lesson today, or it's for date October 24th, lesson 7, Béeso, counting money. Béeso. So let's go over here and let's do the activity 1. And so this is a pre-thing that we're going to be going through. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to have a subject, okay, a subject, and that subject is in this first sentence, okay, this little sentence, and then a number. Okay, so let me just talk about subject, which is the first thing that we talk. Whatever we talk about always goes first. So we're going to talk about and then the last word is always a verb. Bahil, it costs. It costs. It costs. Okay, and anything in the middle is usually the descriptions. So hasta Béeso. $6 is what we're saying here. Hasta is 6, and Béeso, there's that sliding down, bé. Okay, so hat, $6. Bahil, it costs. Hat costs $6. Okay, so that's the pattern. All right, so the next one is it has that nasal sound, and then a little pause, and then so means upper, means close, upper close. So when you think about the body, upper clothes would be the shirt, or it could be a t-shirt. Okay. in this case, it's a shirt. And we want to know the cost. Well, we got to put numbers in there. 11. Béeso. Béeso. Okay. And the little what do we call it right here? In the little video clips, the kind of like the it's a grammar and reference idea. And so when I put it there, it'll be numbers. Okay. So when I do a video clip on that, I'll do numbers, and it's usually just 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to maybe 20, 25, something like that. So anyway, Béeso. $11. Okay, $11. And then we have okay, it means to the clothes that goes on your bottom, which is pants. Like it's just an expression up to something. So up to the top, up to the bottom, up to your bottom. So any pants, I do boys, girls. Okay. If I was to describe this as boys, it'd be a shike, or at eke, girls, but at eke, but if I just say general, just pants. And the cost, $19 Béeso, $20. $19 Bahil. Notice the ba, the na, he, le, Bahil. Okay, it's really about value. How much value does this have? And of course, we come up with numbers. All right, so there's another kind of a negative side, maybe. It could be not negative. But I just say, hey, chide, car, with something big, costs a lot of money. Ille means cost. It costs too much or a lot. Okay, either one, a lot. Car, a lot, it costs. Chide yo ille. Car costs a lot. Okay. Maybe we ought to put this a lot. Okay. That's probably what I'm trying to say closer. Chide yo ille. So there are things that are very expensive, like kin or howan, house, howan yo ille. So there's many different things, but I just chose chide. Okay, because they are expensive. Okay, so that's what we'll do in our class. So that's what we'll do. Oh, a new format. So our new format is this way, and then we're going to have lessons separate from our syllabus. But keep looking at the syllabus because that tells you the lesson, the dates and things. And then this one is a lesson so you can see better. Okay, when I having something, so if I can make it actually go high, a little bit higher level. Okay, so there it is. Béeso bahila. There it is. And that you ate Béeso bahila. And you Nadine Béeso bahila. And then the last one, chide yo illa. Okay, so that's what we'll do. When we get to class, we'll actually get into the question and answers. And then this will be also your pass off also. And then we'll go also into activity, and I'll explain that when we get to class. And then your own group activity. Okay, Iga, talk to you soon. Bye. Nijone.